Hello, beautiful people. We are back. Y'all think I wasn't doing my hair? Oh, I was doing my hair. So I want to show y'all one of my flat twist styles that I did. But hold on, let me make sure this recording is recording. All right, we are good to go. So I am using the Miche leave-in spray conditioner. My hair tends to like leave-in sprays. So I really won't use any cream leave-ins until like the winter months when it gets really cold. So I am not blow drying my hair bone straight. However, I am opting to use some heat. I don't typically use heat. I don't think heat is bad, just how you use it. And don't worry, that part is in there. That's like the B&B, I think. There's their heat protectant, but also kind of leave-in. I don't use it as a leave-in. I just use it as a heat protectant. And then I also have the Mazzani heat protectant as well. Boom. Okay, this is the look we're trying to achieve. I know we got short attention spans, but okay, work. Let's watch the video. Watch the full video before you leave a comment because I probably have it in here what to do. All right, bye. So I'm going in and I'm parting my hair. I decided to do two strand twists in the front, right in the very middle. You do not have to do this. If you want to do just straight flat twists, be my guest. But this is just the style that I thought of because I wanted to create some volume, a little bit of, fringe at the top. So I'm going in with my, rat tail comb and go ahead and parting my hair. Something that I like to do that helps me when I am braiding and or flat twisting is to pre-part my hair. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm going to go ahead and map out the layout of my flat twist, and I do this all around my head, and then I just kind of put it in place with like a bobby pin, or if you have a clamp. So if you're new to flat twisting or braiding or anything that requires parts, maybe try to pre-part and see if that helps you. It helped me out pretty well, so just want to give that little tip.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. 1 second time, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile?
Next, we're getting into the actual flat twist. Now, I am not a flat twist expert, so I cannot teach you how to do a flat twist. I just know you need 2 pieces of hair. You twist, grab with your thumb and your index finger, like what I'm doing right now. If you need a full tutorial on how to do a flat twist, it ain't on my channel, and it won't be. So go and search on YouTube how to do flat twist. So what I did was, ooh, now I'm about to choke on here. I added the mousse to my hair, and again, I'm using Miche Mousse. Miche Mousse, Miche Mousse. I'm using Miche Mousse, and it was the only mousse until it just came out with like the pomegranate and another one most recently. And let me tell you something. If you already have 5 bottles of mousse, I don't care if it was from Miche or not, you do not need to buy any more mousse. Please use what you have. You'll hear me say this repeatedly on several videos. Use what you have. You are not a storage unit, okay? All right. Oh, okay, gotta go.
And I gotta admit that you got When you're making me want to say, oh, I know you're trying to leave. I see the plans for you. How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, oh, yeah. I gotta give a game proper. Pretty so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh, I see the dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, you can understand. Y'all can leave your hands like this. Y'all can make it bounce like this. Just let her know it was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man. I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Next, we're getting into the actual flat twist. Now, I am not a flat twist expert, so I cannot teach you how to do a flat twist. I just know you need two pieces of hair. You twist, grab with your thumb and your index finger, like what I'm doing right now. If you need a full tutorial on how to do a flat twist, it ain't on my channel, and it won't be. So go on, search on YouTube how to do flat twist. So what I did was, ooh, now we about to choke on here. I added the mousse to my hair, and again, I'm using Miche Mousse. Miche Mousse? Miche Mousse? I'm using Miche Mousse, and it was the only mousse until it just came out with like the pomegranate and another one most recently. And let me tell you something. If you already have 5 bottles of mousse, I don't care if it was from Miche or not, you do not need to buy any more mousse. Please use what you have. You'll hear me say this repeatedly on several videos. Use what you have. You are not a storage unit, okay? All right. Oh, okay, gotta go. Once I got finished with my two-strand twist, I did use the blow dryer to kind of give it some volume and to help dry it because my hair is super curly. Even when I do two-strand twist, it like shrinks up really bad because it's so curly, which is fine. That means my hair is healthy, but I wanted the volume. So I used the blow dryer. This is very optional. You do not have to do this, okay? Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. Down low like bombs to red boom. To finish the look, I am gonna add some Camille. They have a scalp serum, so I have it. So I was like, let me use it. This is the perfect time. I'm better than using oil because it has more of a water base, so it's supposed to be a little bit better. So I use that and I put my scarf on, and you can wear this for a week. And when you get tired of wearing this style, make it into another style. Take the two-strand twist out, take the flat twist out, and now you have a curly afro. If your hair is my length, it's gonna be a curly afro. Don't fool yourself. Okay, don't don't fool yourself. You're gonna have an afro, and that's all right. Power to the people. Okay. And that's it. Thank you for joining me. I hope, this is a style maybe you can do over the holidays. You can put like a little scarf on the back part. I mean, you could put a hat on this. You're gonna do so much with this. I know it's cold, so wear this style as best as you can. Do what you can. All right, y'all. Bye.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care.